Alright guys, so this is daily recap for Tuesday 7th of January, and going into the day I was bearish biased because we had this kind of low resistance liquidity building up right here. And when I got on my charts, we had SMT at the highs right here, but we did sweep out these previous day highs, and then we got another more internal SMT right here at the high of day. And also because of just how the daily profiles work, I was kind of expecting Tuesday to be manipulation lower. So if we go to the 1 hour, we can see that we are in this we are in the buy side of this market maker buy model. So I'm expecting the week overall to be bullish, right? So I'm expecting Tuesday to be manipulation lower, so we can have like Wednesday, Thursday distribute higher, and then Friday could possibly be a retracement of the weekly range. But yeah, that's basically the reason why I wanted to see lower. Let me see if I had anything else. I believe on the 1 minute, maybe I had standard deviations, I think here maybe, and then yeah, this kind of 2 to 2.5, this is where you expect a retracement. This lined up with where we kind of just consolidated, so this also gave me another confidence that we were gonna go lower. So when I was looking for a trade, I was looking for shorts here, right? So we had the sweep of the high, or previous day high, we had the sweep of this high, so that gave 3 drives lower. And then I was trying to look for a short here, or somewhere around here, so I can kind of short all the way down to like Asia lows. And then I was looking at these relative equal lows inside of the new week open gap as my target for the day. So I believe we had SMTs here, and then I believe we also had SMTs here, or maybe it was here. But unfortunately we had news at 10, which meant that I wasn't really trying to actually execute on a trade yet. So what I was looking at here, I was looking at this inversion, and I really wanted to see a retracement into this inversion, and then target out these lows. But I never set my limits because, as you can see right here, this is like 9:58. That's 2 minutes before news, so I'm not willing to take that risk when we have news in 2 minutes. And news came out and we just dumped. So after that, I was basically kind of just done for the day, because this is my draw that I was looking for the day. We did get the sweep of the previous day low around this retracement range. So now what we can look for is some sort of reversal higher, right? And right now I'm looking at this here. We have this BPR, and then we have this CISD, and then we have this BISI right here. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now that could support prices higher. And I might take a trade during the 11:50 macro, but probably not, because as you can see, we're just kind of consolidating here, and we already did have this huge move down, it's 400 points. So I wouldn't really be expecting too much of a move higher anyways, right? So that's about it for today. It was a break-even day. I couldn't take any, or I couldn't get my entries for the day, but that's all fine because my bias was right, and my pre-market analysis was right. So that means my technical analysis it's there, it's working. It's just it's kind of like an unfortunate thing that we had news and price moved the way it did. It never gave the entry, but it's just that's absolutely fine. It's part of trading, and I have to be okay with missing these moves, right? I don't want to chase the entry, right? I don't want to just enter some low quality setup down here out of FOMO, because in the long run that's not gonna be helpful. So yeah, that's about it for today. I was just staring at the charts and watching the move play out. So yeah, hope you guys have a good rest of the day.